So we have helped this client to with this AI automation to make extra $47,000 without working extra hours. Before we talk about how we did this, here's what actually happened. So we have helped him to make extra $47,000 commission from only after our leads, and helped him to save 40 hours per month on unqualified leads, and 30 plus after our calls handled daily without any human interaction, totally AI, 100% automatic. So what this realtor was actually dealing with every day. So they are facing mainly four problems. So number one is missed after our calls. So they are getting many calls, but after hours like 7 p.m., 8 p.m., or even later, and going straight to their voicemail. As we all know, in real estate, a missed call is a missed deal. So they are getting many calls, but they're all losing. So let's talk about second problem, which is wasting time on uninterested leads. They're getting many calls and leads daily, but that went nowhere. People who were just browsing, not serious buyers or sellers, are wasting their time a lot. So we have helped him to fix this. So let's talk about problem number third, which is no real follow-up system. Leads from different sources had no consistent tracking. They are getting hot lead, cold lead, all are at the same place and were treated the same like all normal leads. So this was one of their biggest mistakes they had. And the problem number four is dropping the ball during showing. When the client was busy with another client, they are getting another call, so they ignored it and never get a call back. So these are the main four problems there we have helped him to solve. So this was not a small convenience, it was a daily revenue leak. They are getting around 120 calls per day total inbound, and 30 after our calls that were previously going to the voicemail, and 25% of all leads were invisible before this system. So why previous solution failed? They had tried other tools, but it didn't work. So here three problems why their solution didn't work. So they tried generic software tools, off the shelf tools were not built for their specific workflow. They tried very generic software and automation. So it is not obviously going to work. And they also tried to hire local freelancer to set things up for them, but without a real execution behind it. The execution was inconsistent and short-lived. And third is no proper design system. The tools were not the problem. The missing piece was a cohesive system that understood how this specific business worked. So the real issue is they had the intent to fix it, but what they were missing was a system that was actually built for them, not repurposed for something else. So how we solve this? So we built a custom AI agent built specifically for how they work. So we have these four setting setups. So first of all, we have created a realistic human voice, and the even callers don't realize they are talking to an AI, not robotic tone, no, but was only 100% realistic AI human voice. And second is availability. The agent is available 24 hours 7 and cover all the after hour calls, even if it's evening, weekends, during showing, or whenever the client is unavailable. And third is direct meeting and viewing booking. The agent books consultation and site booking directly into the calendar without any manual step or without any human interaction. And fourth is intelligent lead qualification, one of the biggest of our workflow. The AI agent automatically extract timeline, budget, area, urgency, and proof level status in a natural conversation and automatically put it in the CRM. So here's how it actually works. So whenever a call come in anytime, so our AI talk to it and it helps to build rapport, ask the right question, handles objection like a real assistant. And third is lead qualification. The agent asks about his budget, area, timeline, pre-approval, mortgage, and all the things, and which he is capturing in the real time. And the fourth step is meeting booked. Consultation or site being scheduled directly, no back and forth needed. And fifth is CRM updated. Lead tagged, scored, and synced, ready to reviewing first thing in the morning without any hustle or mess. So how we build this smart lead intelligence? So every lead automatically tagged and organized in your CRM, like urgency, pre-approved, budget, area, just browsing or not, their site being requested or not, timeline, investor lead, or all of these things. So after this, they don't need to manually check all the leads they had the day before, and they get rid of all the mess. So this is a testimonial that he gave us to, that you can read by pausing the screen. Let me go ahead. So now let's talk about how we can actually help you. So you can book a free strategy call with us through the link in description. And so if you are a realtor who know leads are slipping through the cracks, let's have a real conversation. We will look at your specific solution and tell you honestly where a custom agent can make sense for your business. So if you don't want to lose money and want to grow your business, you can book a call right away through the link in the description, and we will meet you in the meeting and get your all the problems sorted very soon.